Hi, welcome to Easy Thai Dish by Many Ways channel. I'm not in the kitchen right now, but I will be in a second. I would like to tell you guys first that I make these videos because number one, I have to cook for my family anyway. Number two, I would like to show you guys how or what Thai people eat on a regular basis. As you guys know that I don't live in Thailand, so some ingredients that I either don't have them or I either didn't have a chance to go to Asian markets at the time that I'm gonna cook, or I couldn't find them at all. So I try to do things as easy as possible by substitute those stuff to other stuff. And the most important is you cannot compare me to great chefs out there that make videos because they are professionals, but I am not. So I learn things by experience and of course learn things from professional people, but I make kind of adapt things and do things as easy as possible my way. So it could be right or wrong for some people, but it's my way. And of course I welcome some comments or suggestions that you might have, so please write a comment down there. So today I'm gonna make Som Tum, but I don't have papaya. When you go to Thai restaurants, you know, when you order Som Tum, they're gonna use raw papaya. An authentic way, they're gonna use raw papaya, but I don't have. So guess what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use carrots. So it's gonna be carrot Som Tum or Som Tum carrot. And you know what? I don't have tomatoes today too. So guess what I'm gonna use? If you wanna know, you have to watch this video. Okay? There are a lot of ways to make Som Tum, but you know I'm gonna make the easiest way. I'm not gonna use any fancy stuff because I don't eat those, like anchovies or like raw black crabs or something like that. I don't eat those. So I'm gonna make the easiest version today. My apron is down there, so shall we do it? It's okay, let's go. Carrots. There's no limit ingredients that you can put in your Som Tum. There are all kinds of stuff that you can put in your Som Tum. Some people do Som Tum with fruit, all kinds of fruit, all kinds of veggies. Like I said at the beginning, that this one is going to be the easiest Som Tum ever. The very basic. Dry shrimps. I like to roast them a little bit because I don't like them raw. And I like to add oil a little bit. You don't have to, it's optional. Green beans. Some limes. Fresh chilies. Well, you're supposed to use Thai chilies, but because I don't have them, so I substitute with these. Palm sugar. Roasted dried shrimps. Garlic or just 1 or 2 cloves. The authentic way is you don't have to mince it, you just use the whole clove and then pound it. Put green beans. Peanuts. Some limes. I don't have tomatoes at all in my fridge. I'm gonna use green grapes. We normally add tomatoes like grape-sized tomatoes or regular size, but you cut it small. Normally we use tomatoes because we want the color to be contrast with the green papaya. Add fish sauce. And I think the green grapes are fine because I use carrots this time. Add chilies. And unfortunately, I don't have red Thai chilies, otherwise the color is gonna be like, very vibrant and add more colors to the dish. Some people like to put some fancy stuff like anchovies or raw crab meat, tamarind juice, you name it. But I don't eat those stuff. It's up to you. Now add carrot. You might want to taste it to see if you need to add more fish sauce or sugar or lime juice. It depends on what flavors do you like your Som Tum gonna be. We don't have exact recipes for Som Tum because each person is different. Some people like more sour, some people like more sweet, some people like more salty. You can add more stuff until you get the taste that you like. Som Tum is street food. It is supposed to be customized for each person's preference. Hey, it's done! I'm pretty sure that I will have a chance to do raw papaya Som Tum later and I will make a video of it. And tomatoes and Thai chilies. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the meal. Bye bye.